It's a Wednesday morning and we are on our way to watch a World Cup match live. The match we're going for is England versus Croatia. To be very honest, I'm not a big fan of football. I don't even know much about football, but Matthew is a huge fan. Regardless of me not being a football fan, I think just going to watch a FIFA World Cup match live at the stadium is like a once in a lifetime sort of experience, and I am genuinely very excited for that. In fact, I feel I'll end up becoming a fan by the end of the game, to be very honest. The football fans ka energy, I can't wait to experience that in person. It's 10:30 a.m. The match starts at 3 p.m. We are leaving so early because it's a complicated situation when it comes to the travel aspect. There's crazy surge prices on Uber and the parking is also like super expensive. What everyone recommends is to just make use of the public transportation, which in Dallas is not the best. So you still need to take the car to reach there. So we are in our car, we'll be parking it in downtown Dallas. And then I wish I could tell you what's happening, but I don't know because Matthew is the one who's planned everything. Matthew, what's happening? He won't answer because he doesn't want to talk in front of camera. Everyone thinks I'm not letting you talk. The truth is, he talks, then I have to edit it out and say it myself. Okay? Just FYI.
There'll be a complimentary shuttle by FIFA to take fans from that station.
Okay, now that Matthew's recited it line by line, we're going to take a train from downtown to Centerport Station in Fort Worth. Then we'll be taking a complimentary shuttle by FIFA from Fort Worth Station to bus station that is 10 minutes away from the stadium. And then we walk. Wow, okay. I will take you along this journey. So we are at the station and this is the first time I'm ever coming here. Like, I've known there are trains here, but like I've never experienced one after coming to the US. So yeah, let's see how this train experience goes. Also, we are glad we came early. Right now the time is 11 a.m. The station is already starting to get pretty crowded and they're all football fans. Everyone's here to watch the match. The train is supposed to come in 10 minutes, so we're just going to wait. So this is just $9 day pass, which is amazing considering how much we would have paid for the Uber. Also, I have to admit, while we were walking till the station, we saw so many people like repping their countries with their flags, even like at the train station, and it's gotten me so excited. Like, I can feel the energy already, and I can't even imagine what the energy will be like outside of the stadium and inside the stadium. I'm so excited. We're sitting inside the train. It's actually so amazing. Wow. And it has like how many floors? 2 floors, no? 2 floors. We're on the first floor. And already people have started cheering and singing. Let's go! It's 12:25 and we have arrived at the stadium. We have like a 10-minute walk from where the shuttle drops us off, and it's so crowded. We're so glad we came early. We are here! Thank you. Whoa. Dude, this is insane. We are inside the stadium. Thankfully, it's air conditioned. The actual stadium is inside, but yeah, we're inside the building. The energy is absolutely insane. It's also very hot and we're sweating, so we are just going to get some drinks here. We thought it's firstly a mocktail, but it's a cocktail. I thought it was watermelon juice. I forgot we're in the US. It has to be a cocktail. This is margarita. I don't know how it's going to be. It's a cute cup, but it's $27. My lord. But I think in this heat, it might be worth it. Dude!
Really good.
It's really good. I don't like margaritas in general, but this is actually the best margarita. It's also so refreshing. You also have other stalls which we will get to once, but I think we should enter the main seating area first and find our seats. As far as we have understood, our seats are pretty like at the top, so we're gonna climb some stairs. See those stairs.
Baby, está lista, ponte algo bonito, mamita. Fuma un poquito, tranquila. Vale la pena, el sabor de la noche y el tema. Que se de las canciones lentas, ponte pa' mí. Yo aguanto por tu cuerpo, otra señal en mi pecho. Una rumba más mi cama.
Okay, we've reached our level, which is basically the topmost. Thankfully, they have all the food stuff here because it's like 1 p.m. and Matthew and I are starving. I can't wait to get some solid food inside me once we get our seats in the baby. Oh wow, this is so scary.
Insane.
It's too high. Oh my god, dude, if you're scared of heights, this is like a nightmare.
Hurricane.
Oh my god, I just got to our seats. Wait till you see how high we are sitting.
Discriminatory behaviour is not permitted. We ask you to uphold the principles of fair play.
Matthew. This is what we are getting, the regular Dallas cheesesteak. Finished our lunch. I have my Diet Coke and we are ready for the game to begin. They're just introducing all the players. Now they are yet to enter the field.
2026.
Tranquila, vale la pena el sabor de la noche y el tema. Que se de las canciones lentas, ponte pa' mí. Yo aguanto por tu cuerpo, otra señal en mi pecho, una rumba en mi cama. Yeah. Me matas sin pensar, me montas sin parar. Quiero morir en tus labios. Vale la pena, tú eres el tema. Tan sexy, baby, tú la quemas. Ey, síguela, síguela.
We are back in our car. We're so exhausted. It's also the heat, the sun, and the train we took while coming back. The AC wasn't working, so it was 20-25 minutes of hell. I was just telling Matthew, like, while we were getting out, that I don't think it still hit me that we just watched a FIFA World Cup match. Like, it's just not hit me yet. It was very surreal. Actually, a very entertaining match. 4-2, right? Yeah, England obviously won. Matthew, he was actually rooting for Croatia. Even I was, I think, because they're also the underdogs. I was genuinely neutral. Like, I was happy when either of the teams scored. Majority of the crowd was definitely rooting for England. Also, one thing that I was so impressed with was how organized everything was. Like, there were 70,000 plus people at the stadium. Like, there were literally no issues. Like, we didn't have to wait anywhere for too long. The queues were so organized. Like, it was so smooth.